Hey Kickstarter, how you doing? My name's Clancy, and if you... Oh, alright. Hammered Heroes is a take-that style card battle game, where your numbered heroes compete with your opponent's heroes for quests. Buff or shrink your heroes with cheap shots, and utilize character class abilities for draw support, healing, or outright card theft. Rare curses are always an instant defense, unless your adversary has one as well. As you compete for quests, shrewd tactics are important. Strive to maintain control over the game's 5 rounds, while being wary of party fouls, which threaten to banish you from the game. Hammered Heroes was made to get your drinking friends into tabletop and your tabletop friends drunk. Optional drinking rules can be added to turn any friendly get-together into a treacherous game night. Hammered Heroes is travel-friendly, and it's a guaranteed hit at your local pub or game bar. You may have heard of us before, but we discovered manufacturing options that reduce our needs, so we're back at it with one last try. So if you're looking for a game that's easy to pick up and a blast to play with or without a pint of your favorite brew, you gotta get Hammered Heroes. Support us today.